My name is Reed, and I'll be showing you this. I don't know why I have a big stick, but here is a tree. Green leaves. It's been here about for longer than 10 years. It's a lot. Here's the world's most flattest stump. Zoom in. And it turned into a suitcase because you see the little handle. Here's Grandma's backyard. Still filming?
Yeah.
So, here's a birdhouse. No birds really visit it anymore. But it used to be a birdhouse. Here's a really comfortable chair. It's more comfy than you think. It's like your couch. That comfy. But without the cushions. And here, film, is the world's biggest, I'm kidding, it's not the world's biggest tree. Redwoods are like 7 times bigger than that thing. And this, I call a, tell me what you think it is.
I don't know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is a pine cone tree. Because you can see all the pine cones up there. If you guessed that, great job.